Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to install Corona Renderer 14. First you have to download the Corona Renderer 14. I already downloaded Corona Renderer 14 for 3ds Max. Download link in the description. Please like and subscribe my channel. Before install the latest Corona, delete the previous version of Corona. Run the application. Both should be marked and click on install. Corona Render will be installed in few seconds. Mark it and click on Done. Corona Image Editor icon will be appear on desktop. Corona 14 installation is done. Now open 3ds Max. Go to the render settings. You can see Chaos Corona Renderer 14 successfully installed. Start interactive. It's working. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.